Christmas has come early for me. This time my friend Dr. Chaitra Anand has sent me these amazing products from her brand SkinQ. Now this is a sun protect gel and it's got an SPF of 40 and a PA 4+ value. It's got vitamin C in it, so it protects us from ultraviolet A, B, infrared rays and even blue light from the laptops and the computer screens and our phone as well. So it's a gel based sunscreen. It's great for all skin types. It's not sticky or greasy. I was actually trying it and it really spreads evenly very well, you know, and see, that's how lovely it is. And then there is this other wonderful product. It's called the Hydrate Elixir. It's got hyaluronic acid, sodium hyaluronate, vitamin E and Pro B5. So it soothes the skin and replenishes the skin, you know, just what I need in winter. And you know what? It's great under the makeup. So the makeup doesn't cake, you see? It's a transparent gel like that. So it's great. And the third thing that she sent is this beauty box that I'm going to use at home, and I'm going to tell you all. It's a home facial for dry and aging and sensitive skin, you know, exactly my skin type. So thank you, Chai. I wish you all the best and Merry Christmas to all of you.